Okay, summer 2020 question paper 1-3, question 10. When solid KClO3 is heated in the absence of air, a mixture of two chlorine compounds in the mole ratio of 3:1 is formed. Chlorine is the only element whose oxidation number changes in this reaction. So what could be the oxidation number of the chlorine in the two new compounds that are formed? Okay, now we only have one reactant, okay, which is heated and produces two chlorine compounds. Since chlorine is the only element whose oxidation number changes in the reaction, so okay, we can make a conclusion that this is a disproportionation reaction. So the Cl in the KClO3, okay, this proportion needs into two different compounds. Yeah. So let's find the original oxidation state or oxidation number, okay, of Cl in KClO3. It is +1. It's -2. So this is X. Okay, +1 plus X plus 3 times -2 equals to 0. So X is +5. Okay, I found the oxidation number of Cl in KClO3. Erase this and put +5. Right. Now, so this chlorine is going to be oxidized and reduced in the same reaction. Right, +5, okay, reduction. So you'll get a smaller number in the reduced compound. Okay, and it will be bigger than +5 in the oxidized compound. So now let's look at the answers. I think the easiest method is to actually look at the answers directly than trying to develop a formula to find the new oxidation numbers. Look at A. +5 become +3. That means chlorine undergoes reduction. +5 to -1, again another reduction. Now we always say redox. That means reduction and oxidation will occur at the same time. If something is reduced, then another thing or the same thing will be oxidized. So A is not possible because there is no oxidation. Right? So I'm going to put a cross there. Let's look at B. +5 to +6. Okay, oxidation. Okay, +5 to +4, reduction. Okay, this could be the answer. Look at C. +5 to +7. This is oxidation because the number is increasing. Okay, +5 to -1. This is reduction because oxidation number decreases. D. +5 to +7, oxidation. Okay, +5 to +1, reduction. Alright, so now we rule out A cannot be the answer because both also reduction, there is no oxidation. So let's look at another information. Yeah, another piece of information says that the mixture of the two chlorine compounds is in the mole ratio of 3:1. 3:1. Okay, meaning okay, if oxidation, okay, if the oxidized compound is 3 and the reduced compound is 1, okay, that means in total the oxidation number increase in the oxidation will be 3 times. Okay, the oxidation number change of the oxidation number change in reduction, or the other way around. Okay, so let's look at B. From +5 to +6, the change in oxidation number in oxidation is +1, and +5 to +4, the change in reduction will be -1. So can you see the relationship between this +1 and -1? Okay, that means the mole ratio of the two chlorine compounds will be 1 to 1 only. Alright, now let's look at C. +5 to +2. So in oxidation, the oxidation number changes will be +2. +5 to -1, the oxidation number changes, okay, in reduction will be -6. So what's the mole ratio of these two compounds? Okay, 2 and 6. So 1 and 3. Okay. Okay, it matches the mole ratio of 3 to 1, although it's the other way around, because it could be the other way around. Now we check D also. +5 to +7, +2. Okay, +5 to +1 is +4. So what's the mole ratio? 2 to 4, so 1 to 2. Therefore, the answer should be C, because of the mole ratio. Right?